1, 2, 3, 4. You're making me feel nervous. That tells me that you're worth it. I've taken a shot at my expectations and I'm oversatiated. Now you have me making up words. No, I don't wanna lie to you. Been thinking of you since 2 months past June. And I told myself I'm crazy, now impatiently waiting just to hear your voice again. But until then, you're better than all my dreams, my thoughts and my fantasies. You hold a magic over me, and it looks like it's taking its time. 'Cause I'm momentarily, mentally paralyzed. And all of a sudden, no words can do you justice. No reverie compares to the reality in front of my eyes. So I don't mind being paralyzed. Ooh. Oh, you're all my mind can talk about, but then my heart beats loud and drowns it out. I'm saying bye to all my intuition, no more heartless decisions. And maybe one day I'll be yours, and one day you'll be mine. I hope that time is kind.